All right, I'm going to say something that might sting a little.
Not your logo, not your office, not even how long you've been around.
See, if Google can't figure out what you do, you are basically invisible to your customers. I'm going to show you exactly how Google decides who wins online. You ready? Let's just pause for a second. When was the last time you clicked on page 2? Exactly. That first page, that's the entire battlefield. Everything happens right there. The whole thing boils down to 3 simple steps: crawling, indexing, and ranking. First, Google sends out these little bots. Think of them like digital detectives, just scouring the web.
They scan your site by following links, and if it's messy or slow, well, Google gets confused.
And trust me, a confused Google does not reward you. No structure equals no visibility. Now, here's something most business owners get wrong. Google doesn't rank websites. It ranks individual pages, so one page can win big, while another on the same site is invisible. After crawling, your page gets stored in a giant digital library. This is called indexing.
And if you're not in that index, you don't exist. You're not even in the competition.
So remember, just because your website is live does not mean it's searchable. Okay, so once you're indexed, that's when the real fight actually begins. This is ranking. Someone searches, and Google's algorithm decides who gets seen all in milliseconds. It's asking, who's the most relevant, the most trustworthy, who's fast, and works on mobile? And then it ranks them. Believe me, this process isn't random. It's all about strategy.
And really, all that strategy just boils down to 3 main buckets.
These are the 3 pillars: your technical setup, your content, and your site's authority. You get one of these wrong, and your rankings are going to drop. It really is that simple. So let's recap the whole thing. Google crawls to discover, indexes to organize, and then ranks. But that leaves us with the real million-dollar question for your business, doesn't it? We'll cover that next, because in this game, guessing is just way too expensive. Understanding is profitable.